Hey, Sam here. Welcome to this video for Rocket Builder. Now, I'm excited about this software today. It's a site builder, and if you know anything about site builders, you'll know that you need one in your business if you want to save more time, save money on developers and not needing developers, and also create great looking websites within a really short period of time. Rocket Builder, from what I've seen so far, is a really good option. It's a low-cost solution that will allow you to create professional looking websites really quickly, and I like this software so much, I prepared a really big bonus package down below, which includes a number of white label products as well as a couple of relevant bonuses that I really think will help you use Rocketbar to its full extent. So let me show you a quick demo about what I really want to emphasize about this builder, and then I'm going to pass it on to Peter. Now, Peter's prepared a really easy to understand step-by-step walkthrough of the software in action. It goes through everything from installing the plugin right through to actually editing the certain parts of the system. And through this demo, I don't think you'll see this demo on the sales page, but through watching this demo, you'll understand everything you need to know about how this all works and how it stacks up against other competitors that are out there. So this is the Rocket Builder theme menu. Okay, this is where you can select your different themes. Now, I've already installed Rocketbar on one of my domains, and I'll go over to that in just a second. But first of all, I wanted to draw your attention to these different designs right here. They've got over 75 different websites that you can click and use right away. Now, when I say click and use, I mean you can literally click these and install them immediately on your website and just customize your website from there. So there's themes like this that would be perfect for a local business. You could create this for your own business. You could change around the images, create it for a restaurant, a bakery. There's so many different options here, and it looks really professional. Also, if you were, say, for example, wanting to sell through an agency, you could do that up in the agency theme that's up here. You could sell apps through one of the app stores that's available. This is the agency theme right here. And when you get access to Rocket Builder, they'll actually give you access, or the guys will actually give you access to this website, so you'll be able to see all the different demos that you can use for whatever it is that you're wanting to build. So if you're wanting to build an offline marketing website, then this is a good solution. You've also got the running background in the background of this, and all of this is 100% fully customizable, all right? 100% customizable. Let's go back and let's keep searching. So as you can see, there's a number of different options here. We've got golf, horse, language, party, photo themes. We've got plumber themes. We've got a press theme, a news theme, resume theme, SEO, consultant theme. We've got steakhouse theme, stores, theaters, taxi themes, transport themes. There's something for everything in this list here. I'll actually include this website down below as well underneath this video, so you can actually see the variety that they've got here that you can choose from. You can also choose a number of different layouts. You can build your pages from scratch, and it just makes it really easy. So let's just take a quick look at my WordPress. Now, this is my WordPress right here. If I go back to the theme right here, I basically went ahead and first of all I installed this. It's a theme, so it goes into the appearance in your WordPress blog right here. All right, it's just like you go into here, you install it into appearance, and then it'll pop up and give you the ability to see the Rocketbar options here, or if you wanted to, you can view it in themes. Now, when you install it, it gives you a number of different other plugins that you need to install. I've installed those plugins, and then from there you're able to start customizing your website. Now, when you get in here and start customizing your website, the first place to go is the template selection menu, and you can get these templates added into your website by clicking Import Demo Data. Click on Demo, and then you can choose from one of the themes that you really like. So say, for example, I like the coffee theme. I could choose that. I could choose Import Demo Data, and it's going to import all of that data into my website. So literally, I can create this website within about 30 seconds. And if I now go to this website, you'll be able to see that it's fully been installed. Now, I didn't add the plugins, so you're going to see some images aren't showing. You can add the plugins when you're doing this, and that'll load. I'll just wait for this to load right now. So here we are right here. You can see that they've got a number of different selections. It's responsive. These images aren't showing because I haven't installed the plugin, but you'll be able to install the plugin, and you'll be able to have images showing for that. So if I wanted this theme, I could run with it. If I wanted to go back and replace this with another theme, I can do that really easily. I just go once again over to my appearance, and I can build from the imported data that I want to build from. So again, I select demo. I go through, I choose what I want. Maybe it's an agency theme this time. I go import demo data. And it's done. Once again, I've changed my theme, and now I can customize it as I want within WordPress, easily editing the certain parts that I want to edit of it. Here we are. It's all here. It's live. And you can see here the agency website has been created. So as you can see, it's really easy to use. It's really easy to install these themes. And then from here, I'm able to really easily edit this with Visual Composer. So I'll be able to just jump in, I'll be able to edit this as I want, and I'll be able to replace this with what I want to add in here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pass it on to Peter, and he's going to show you how to install this plugin, or this theme I should say, and how the whole editing process works step by step. I don't think you'll see a demo like this on the sales page, so make sure you pay attention because he's going to walk you through the entire process right now. Take it away, Peter.
So the first thing you want to do is go to your WordPress site and you install it just like any other theme. Now, the theme is pretty big and it comes with a lot of designs built into it. So your server may have some limitations on like file sizes and things like that. So if you have any trouble installing it through the theme panel here, then you may want to try uploading it via FTP or file manager in your cPanel and just activating it, unzipping it there and then activating it here after. Just go ahead and click activate once you see the theme here. And once it's activated, you're going to see this message right here. I don't want you to miss this because this theme uses other third-party plugins to accomplish some of the features that we have. So you can see right here, this theme requires the following plugins. Then it lists a bunch of plugins, and you can just click right here, begin installing plugins, and just select them all and click install. And then the theme is just going to install all of these plugins for you, so you don't have to do them one by one. All right, so all installations have been completed. We are good to go there. Now, if we click under installed plugins, you'll notice that those plugins that we just installed are installed, but they're not activated. So make sure you don't forget to activate them. So just select them right here and then just click activate to make sure they're activated. So now we are good to go. So the next thing we want to do is import one of the many designs that we have to choose from. So Rocket Builder comes with 75 different professional website templates that you can import with one click. The upgraded version, the Pro version of Rocket Builder, comes with an additional 100, so 175 and growing every single month. We actually just added 2 additional templates yesterday. So if you go to this URL right here, you can see all the different demos you can choose from. Now, if you run into any issues importing these, please let me know. We did change the way that some of these were importing, and we're pretty sure we have all the bugs worked out. But if you run into anything, let me know, and so we can get it fixed before launch. But you shouldn't run into anything. But anyways, we're going to use the language theme here. So we're going to go back to our WordPress installation, and we want to go to Appearance and import demo data. So this is where we can actually select which template we want to import. So right here where it says import, just select demo from the drop down, and then where it says pre-made layout, here we can choose from the different design layouts that I just showed you. Okay, so we're going to choose the language template or the language school. There it is. And we're going to select import attachments and then click import demo data. And there we go. Just like that, it's imported. That took probably 1 second. Some of the designs may take a couple seconds. Some of them are really, really quick. All right, so we are good there. So if we go visit the site, we can see what it looks like so far. So you can see that in just one click, we've got that design ready to go. There's just one last step, and that's installing the slider. So if we were to click on this demo right here, you can see that this design has a nice gorgeous slider here. You can see that text animates in and things like that. This is possible due to the Revolution slider. So we already have a bunch of slider templates to go with all of these designs that you just have to import in a second step. Okay, so after you import the design, just go over here where it says Slider Revolution and click Import Slider and make sure these are set to overwrite. And then click Choose File. So this is the second zip file that I sent you that contains all of the Slider Revolution demos. So here you just want to find the one that matches your design that you just picked. So we'll find language. Here it is right here. Some of them, some of the designs will have 2 slider templates that you have to import. You can see right here, Garden has 2. Some of them also have 2. It depends on the size of the design. Investment has 2. Has one for the front home slider, and it has one for the content on the site. So make sure if you see 2 there, import them one at a time. But you can see we have just 1 for language. So let's go ahead and double click that, and then click import slider. And we are done there. So now let's go back to our site, and you can see the part right here where it says Slider Revolution error, slider not found. Now if we refresh, that slider will be there ready to go, looking nice and good there. So you can see with just 2 clicks, we've got a fully functional website up and running. If I wasn't talking there, that whole process could be done in no doubt in under 60 seconds. It's amazing how quickly you can get an amazing looking website up in just a few seconds with Rocket Builder. So I did want to mention one thing worth noting. Once you install one of these templates on your site, you can see right here we've just installed Language School. But what if I wanted to switch to, I don't know, say the PR theme, or this one right here, this tattoo parlor, or this driving school? Well, what happens when you import one of these designs? Well, these designs actually make changes to the structure of the site. You can see this header right here fits the design perfectly, right? So when you import one of these designs, it makes changes to the header design. It adds the specific pages that go with the design. So if you were to import a different design, say the driving school, well, what you're actually going to get is you're going to get that header design, okay? And you're also going to get all the pages that go with it. So you don't want to have 2 different designs on the same WordPress install, because they use different header styles, and they have different pages and things like that. So just keep that in mind. If you want to try out more than one design, all you have to do is just go to your pages and then just delete the pages. Just go ahead and delete them, move to trash, and then make sure you empty your trash. Go over to trash, empty that there, and go to appearance and widgets, because the designs also bring in custom widgets too. So just make sure you delete your footer widgets there, and then you're safe to try out another design. Otherwise, just install it, the second design, on a different WordPress installation to avoid any issues. You also may want to check the Slider Revolution, and I just to play it safe, I like to delete sliders that we're not using. So just go ahead and delete that there. So now we're good to install another design if we want to. So if we were to refresh our demo here, you can see our design is gone. But if we go back to import demo data, and let's say this time we wanted to import this extreme theme here, okay? Now we'll click import attachments. Now if we go to our pages, you can see that different pages have just been imported. So if we had those other pages in there from the last import, it may screw things up. So this is the extreme theme. So now we just have to import the slider that goes with it. So we'll click on import slider, choose file, and then go back to our little slider folder here, and here's extreme, and we'll click import, and we're good to go there. So if we go back to the site, refresh, you can see that we've got a nice gorgeous design there with a nice little slide drop down effect there. You can leave it as is here. You can use this theme to quickly create demos like this, but obviously you're going to want to customize the site to match your branding or your client's branding. So the next thing you can do is you can head under the Rocket Builder settings, or the Rocket Builder options. So under appearance, Rocket Builder options, click right there, and then right here where it says color, let's click on colors, and then general. And you see right here where it says theme skin, we can select from a number of different colors to quickly change the look and feel of our site with just one click. No need to select colors or anything like that. So you can see right now we've kind of got like a bluish, baby blue and dark blue color scheme here. So if we wanted to go to like pink for whatever reason, we could click Save Changes. You can see that it changes the highlight colors of our navigation bar up here to that pink color. It obviously won't change the color of the images, the background images, but you can see it changes some of the call to action buttons and the links and things like that. So really quickly, you can change the look and feel of a site with just one click. We can go as far as we want with this. We can go on and continue customizing all the different colors here. But the next thing I want to show you is the drag and drop builder. So let's head on over to pages. And you can see right here, these are the pages that were imported when we did the demo import a few seconds ago. Let's customize one of these pages here. Let's take a look at the home page. So you can see we've got like a little widget right here with an image of a girl right here on the left. Let's see if we can customize this a little bit. So let's go select our home page here and click edit. And right here where it says page options, and you can see the Rocket Builder logo right there, this is the drag and drop editor. So this is basically where you can drag things around, add web design elements to your page. So you can see right here, we've got our image and we've got another column on the right. That's this column right here. Scrolling down, we've got 4 columns here with icons, and there are those right there. Okay, so we can edit any of these really easily. Just click like the little pencil icon here, and you can change anything. You can change the text, and you can actually add animation to it. So you can have it bounce in and click Save Changes, click Update. And you can see how it animates onto the screen like that. Pretty cool. So we can do this with this entire site, basically drag and drop. I want to move this over here. All I have to do is drag it down. Okay, go over here. All I have to do is drag it down to here, click Update. Go back to the site, and you can see now that image that was up here obviously moved down there. So as you can see, really quickly, you can change the look and feel of a website. You can build a website completely from scratch doing this as well if you want to.